Garlic at night benefits. Welcome to my channel, your home for powerful and proven natural remedies. Today, we're diving into something surprisingly simple, yet incredibly powerful: eating garlic at night. You might know garlic for its use in cooking, but did you know that just one clove before bed can transform your health in ways you never imagined? In this video, we'll explore 10 scientifically supported benefits of eating garlic at night, plus how to use it properly, who should avoid it, and simple tips to maximize its effects. Let's get started. What makes garlic so powerful? Garlic isn't just a spice. It's been used as medicine for thousands of years. The secret lies in a compound called allicin, released when garlic is crushed. Allicin has antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. It also contains sulfur compounds, antioxidants, vitamin C and B6, selenium, and manganese. This unique mix makes garlic a true natural powerhouse, especially when taken before bed, when your body focuses on repair and detox. Garlic at night. Why timing matters. Why at night? Because while you sleep, your body shifts into recovery mode. Digestion slows, stress hormones drop, and your organs focus on cleansing and repairing. Garlic supports this natural process, improving everything from digestion to detoxification. Taking it at night also reduces the impact of its strong odor during the day. Benefit 1: better sleep quality. Garlic helps calm the nervous system. Its natural compounds reduce cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress and restlessness. Eating garlic before bed may help you fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake up more refreshed. Benefit 2: boosted immune system. Your immune system works hardest while you sleep. Garlic contains allicin, which boosts white blood cell production and strengthens the body's defenses. Regular nighttime consumption helps your body stay ready to fight colds, flu, and infections. Benefit 3: natural detox. Garlic stimulates the liver's detox enzymes, helping your body cleanse itself overnight. It enhances the removal of heavy metals, waste, and even leftover medications, naturally and safely. Benefit 4: reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Garlic contains anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce swelling and joint pain. Taking it before sleep may ease nighttime discomfort and promote healing while you rest. Benefit 5: heart health and lower blood pressure. Garlic improves circulation and helps lower high blood pressure. It relaxes blood vessels and reduces clot formation. Taking garlic at night allows your heart to work more efficiently while you sleep. Benefit 6: improved digestion. If you deal with bloating, gas, or indigestion, garlic can help. It stimulates digestive enzymes and promotes healthy gut flora. Taking it before bed can ease discomfort and leave you feeling lighter in the morning. Benefit 7: lower blood sugar levels. Garlic helps regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. For people with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, this can be an easy, natural support tool, especially when timed before fasting overnight. Benefit 8: fights respiratory problems. Garlic clears up nasal congestion and acts as a natural decongestant. Its antimicrobial properties can relieve colds, coughs, and sinus infections while you sleep. Benefit 9: weight loss support. Garlic boosts metabolism and curbs late-night cravings. It helps regulate appetite hormones, promoting fat burning and healthy digestion overnight. Benefit 10: may reduce risk of chronic disease. Regular garlic consumption has been linked to lower risk of diseases like Alzheimer's, cancer, and cardiovascular issues. Its antioxidants protect cells from damage while you sleep, promoting longevity. How to take garlic at night. For best results, crush 1 raw clove, let it sit for 10 minutes to activate the allicin, then swallow it with water. You can also mix it with a spoon of honey to soften the flavor. Avoid chewing raw garlic directly, it can irritate your mouth and stomach. Who should avoid garlic at night? Garlic isn't for everyone. Avoid it if you have stomach ulcers or reflux, low blood pressure, are pregnant or breastfeeding, or are taking blood-thinning medications. Always consult your healthcare provider if you're unsure. Garlic may be small, but its health benefits are enormous, especially when taken at the right time. Try incorporating a clove into your nighttime routine, and see how it transforms your health naturally. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural wellness tips, and let us know in the comments, will you try garlic tonight?